Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this opportunity, we are going to learn about direct and indirect speech in English. We will learn three variations of direct and indirect speech in this section: statement, question, and comment. Each of them will be elaborated on these sections. We now are entering of the fourth section of Bahasa Inggris 2. This week's material is quite challenging but also enjoyable. Direct and indirect speech is often used both in written and spoken English. It therefore needs to be understood by everyone. After learning these materials, it's expected that you will understand the rule of making direct and indirect speech and eventually be able to use it in both writing and speaking. Good luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.